morning, guys. We're here in Ikebukuro. Here's the big, well-known intersection, and there's a little cool, freshly squeezed orange juice vending machine here, and we're gonna give it a shot. There it is, the orange. You see it drop. Oh, and it's getting squeezed into here. This little cup. That's pretty awesome. It's ready. Oh, they lid sealed it too. That's bougie. They lid sealed it, and you can pop it in the straw. Let's come over here and give it a shot. How is it?
It's good.
It's good?
It does taste like fresh. Yeah, it tastes really fresh.
Yeah, let me try it out. Freshly squeezed from the vending machine.
Like, no artificials. Yeah.
Mmm.
Just orange. Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's delicious.
We'll go this way too.
Hell yeah. No added sugars. That's
Naturally sweet.
yeah, that's perfection. I'll get that every morning, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's like a 5 out of 5 orange juice. Obviously, because it's straight from the source. Naturally sweet. Yup.